Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to check your E-Warrant card on Infinix Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So for the purpose of people that does not understand what E-Warrant card means, I will simply explain it. E-Warrant card had a guarantee that you have on a particular phone that you make a purchase. But in this regard, not every phone that comes with E-Warrant card. But if you purchase your phone from the original store center, definitely the phone is going to have E-Warrant card, which is about at least 12 months, which is about 1 year guarantee. And how you can check it if the warranty is on the phone and if the warranty on the phone has been expired, how do you check it? So for you to do that, what you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So click on your phone settings right here. So it's going to open up like so. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon on the phone. That's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to click on E-Warranty card. And you will be taken right here. Now, warranty range. During the warranty period, if the mobile phone malfunction are under warranty, you can enjoy free repair service. So this is one of the advantage of purchasing the phone from the right source. Now, as at the time of making this video, you can see the e-warranty of this particular phone has expired. Warranty extension service. Extend a warranty before it expires. Then you can also extend it before it expires. But once you fail to extend it and the warranty expires, there is no way you can do that. You can read detail about time of expiration. Out of warranty repair in original warranty period will cause the service take effect in advance. Out of warranty repair in extended warranty period will cause termination of the service. So you can read on the detail. Now, if your phone falls under this category and your warranty is not expired, if you have any issue with the phone, you can simply walk into the experience center of any Infinix and get the phone fixed for free of charge, just like what you see right here. It's as simple as that. So this is how to check your e-warranty service and how you can get your phone repaired for free with Infinix phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.